In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Taskboard in Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your project's tasks and how to start planning new ones, all without leaving your coding workspace. First, open your browser and go to replit.com. When the page loads, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base in Replit, where all your projects are listed. Take a moment to get oriented. You should see your recent projects and anything you've been working on. Next, look for the specific project whose taskboard you want to open. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find it. Pick the project that needs organizing or follow-up work so the taskboard will be most relevant to what you're doing today. Click the project to open it. This takes you into the project's workspace, where your files, console, and tools live. Give it a second to load fully so all the panels and buttons appear. Now look to the left-hand sidebar. Toward the bottom of that sidebar, you'll find the option for the taskboard. Depending on your screen size or theme, it may appear as text or as an icon you can expand. If the sidebar looks collapsed, hover or click to reveal the labels you're looking for the option labeled Open Taskboard. Click Open Taskboard. This opens a dedicated view showing your project's tasks. Here, you'll typically see cards grouped by status like To Do, In Progress, and Done. It's designed to give you a quick snapshot of what needs attention, what's being worked on, and what's finished. Scan through the cards to understand the current state of the project and identify any blockers or priorities. From the same view, you can also plan a new task. Look for a new task button or a plus icon. Click it, then add a clear title and a short description so anyone on the project understands what needs to be done. If available in your setup, you can add labels, set a priority, or include a due date to keep the workflow organized. When you're done, save the task, and it will appear on the board in the appropriate column. That's it. You've opened the task board from your project and learned how to view everything at a glance and plan a new task. If you want to jump back to coding, just return to the editor using the left sidebar. With this workflow, you can stay focused, keep your project organized, and track progress without leaving Replit.